apes are on the rise, and humans are just recovering from the viral apocalypse.
You know the scary thing about them? They don't need power. Lights, heat, that's the advantage. That's what makes them stronger.
There's a lot of blame, there's a lot of anger.
I feel like it's two communities trying to understand each other. And do you have to kill each other, or can you try to work it out?
It's that conflict that lies at the heart of it. There's so much at stake. They made contact. Other people are coming. Soldiers. It'll be all out war.
Caesar is suddenly faced with these enormous decisions about how to cope with the threat of human beings.
War has begun.
It is a huge showdown between the apes and human beings.
Oh my God.
We are survivors! They are animals!
It's escalated, and there's a terrifying sense of all of the apes going to war.
The humans are desperately trying to survive, and the question of war lives under every moment.
We will push them back! Drive them down!